Let's be honest, we all want to eat healthy, but when life gets busy, we grab fast food or snack on junk. It's a vicious cycle, and breaking it feels impossible when you're short on time. But what if I told you that you can make real, healthy, delicious meals in just 5 minutes? No excuses, no long prep. Today, I'll show you quick, healthy meals that'll save your time, your health, and your mood. Let's prove you can create stunning, nutritious food faster than ordering takeout. Let's get cooking! First up, breakfast, the meal most people mess up by skipping or grabbing sugary junk. We're making a Greek yogurt parfait elegant, simple, and packed with goodness. Grab a glass. Presentation matters. Start with a generous dollop of thick, creamy Greek yogurt for protein and probiotics. Add a layer of fresh or frozen berries for antioxidants and natural sweetness. Sprinkle on rolled oats or low-sugar granola for slow-release energy and crunch. Repeat. More yogurt, more berries, more crunch. Finish with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra nutrition. Look at that. Creamy, sweet, tangy, crunchy. A complete meal in a glass. This keeps you full for hours, stabilizes blood sugar, and sets you up for a productive day. No more excuses. This takes less than 5 minutes. Have the right ingredients on hand and transform your morning routine. Start your day with a win. Now go make one. Lunchtime, don't fall for the greasy pizza or bland sandwich trap. We're making a whole wheat tuna wrap, fresh, fast, and energizing. Drain a can of tuna in water or olive oil, flake it into a bowl, mix with Greek yogurt or hummus for a creamy, healthy binder. Add diced cucumber, red onion, and crisp lettuce for crunch. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice, season with black pepper and herbs. Spoon the mixture onto a warm whole wheat tortilla. Roll it up tightly, no soggy, overstuffed mess. Slice in half and admire your work. Protein, fiber, vitamins, and crunch. This wrap is versatile. Swap tuna for salmon, chicken, or egg. It's faster, healthier, and tastier than anything from a shop. Take control of your lunch, one simple meal at a time. Next time you're hungry, remember this wrap. It's a blueprint for a perfect, quick lunch. Well done. Need a quick energy boost? Skip the sugary coffee. Make a green energy smoothie. Grab a blender. Add a ripe banana for creaminess and sweetness. Toss in a big handful of fresh spinach. Trust me, you won't taste it, but you'll get a vitamin boost. Pour in unsweetened almond milk or your favorite milk alternative. Add a scoop of protein powder if you want it more filling. For extra thickness, use frozen fruit. Blend until smooth and vibrant green. Pour into a glass. Thick, creamy, and delicious. It's refreshing, hydrating, and packed with nutrients. Customize with nut butter, flax seeds, or pineapple for variety. This is your grab-and-go meal. Clean, green, and energizing. Cheers to healthy energy. Dinner time. Don't reach for the takeaway app. Make a quick veggie and chicken bowl. Faster, cheaper, and healthier than takeout. Use pre-cooked chicken or tofu, shrimp, chickpeas from your fridge. Heat a pan with a splash of olive oil. Toss in frozen mixed veggies. Flash fry for a few minutes until vibrant and tender crisp. Add your protein, heat through. Season with soy sauce, lime, garlic, or sriracha. Get creative. Spoon into a bowl. Lean protein, fiber-packed veggies, healthy fats. It's a balanced meal in 5 minutes. Change up the protein, veggies, and seasonings for endless variety. This bowl keeps you full, fuels your body, and beats takeout every time. Stock your fridge and freezer with the basics. No more excuses. Enjoy your victory over takeout. Late night hunger? Skip the junk. Make an avocado toast upgrade. Toast a slice of whole grain, sourdough, or rye bread until golden and crisp. Mash a ripe avocado with lime or lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Keep it chunky. Spread generously on hot toast. Upgrade with a topping, a fried, poached, or boiled egg for protein. Or try cherry tomatoes and balsamic, or feta and herbs. Avocado's healthy fats and magnesium help you feel full and support better sleep. This snack stabilizes blood sugar and satisfies cravings. It's quick, versatile, and works for breakfast, lunch, or a smart snack. 5 minutes, real nutrition, and real satisfaction. Next time you're tempted by junk, make this instead. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Sleep well. See, eating healthy doesn't mean hours in the kitchen or bland food. We made a parfait, a wrap, a smoothie, a dinner bowl, and upgraded avocado toast, all in 5 minutes. The excuses are gone. You have the blueprint to take back control of your health. Start with 1 meal a day and feel the difference. Small, consistent changes lead to big results. Fuel your body with respect. Skip the drive-through and make something real. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart, healthy habits. Stay strong, and I'll see you next time.